Hello and welcome to Digital Cashflow Global. I'm your host, and if you are tired of the idea of being tied down to an office, a specific time zone, or a local economy, you are exactly where you need to be. We are moving past the digital nomad cliché and into the realm of genuine financial architecture. Today, we're not just talking about making money online. We are talking about global cash flow, scalable systems that work for you whether you are in Bucharest, Bali, or Boston. These are income streams designed for resilience and detachment from any single location, and more importantly, we are talking about how to lay the foundation for these systems within the next 6 months. That's a clear, actionable timeline. In this video, we will detail 5 digital income streams that have the potential to generate robust, automated, and global cash flow. We will look at the initial investment, the learning curve, and the path to true scalability for each one. Before we start the countdown, realize this. Success online isn't about luck. It's about positioning your efforts in areas where leverage is highest. Stay until the very end, because stream number 5 is the most underrated, requiring the least initial capital, but holds the highest potential for total freedom automation. Let's dive in. Before we get into the 5 ideas, we must understand the crucial difference. Cash flow is not a salary. A salary is trading a fixed amount of your time for money, a direct linear exchange. Digital cash flow is a system you built, a mechanism that generates revenue often while you sleep or travel. Digital means the product or service can be delivered instantly across borders. Global means your potential customer base is billions, not just thousands. This requires a shift from a job mindset to an owner mindset. You are building a digital factory, not clocking into one. The primary challenge for most people is consistency and focus. Over the next 20 minutes, I'm going to give you the blueprint. Your job is to pick one stream and commit to the 6-month execution phase. Stream number 1 is affiliate marketing, but executed strategically. We are abandoning the low payout model. We are focusing exclusively on high-commission digital products or services, like B2B SaaS tools, specialized industry software, or high-ticket educational programs that pay hundreds of dollars per sale. The 6-month strategy. Breakdown, months 1 to 2, deep research. Choose a narrow, underserved professional niche, e.g. CRM automation for niche contractors. Select 2 to 3 premium products within that niche that offer recurring commissions. Months 3 to 4, asset creation. Build your central asset. This should be an authoritative piece of content, a definitive guide, a detailed comparison site, or a focused YouTube channel dedicated only to solving problems these software tools address. Months 5 to 6, traffic acquisition. Drive highly qualified traffic. Focus intensely on long-tail SEO keywords where user intent is high, or run small, precise ad campaigns testing which offers convert best. The leverage here is immense. One great review, one successful funnel, can lead to a continuous high-value revenue stream paid out globally. The second stream is about productizing your knowledge into digital assets. This covers everything from advanced Notion workflow templates and sophisticated financial spreadsheets to specialized graphic design kits or software plugins. Why this is pure cash flow? Once the asset is created, once the code is written or the blueprint is finalized, the marginal cost to sell another unit drops to virtually zero. It's pure profit, scalable instantly across time zones. The 6-month implementation. Spend the first 2 months perfecting one high-value asset that solves a pervasive, frustrating problem for a specific audience. Use the next 2 months for market testing on platforms like Gumroad or your own simple landing page. The final 2 months are dedicated solely to optimizing the sales page copy and setting up email sequences to convert visitors automatically. Remember, the less support it needs, the more global your cash flow becomes. The third method targets the biggest trend in modern business: automation. This is building a micro-SaaS or a niche automation script. This is for those willing to learn a bit of no-code or low-code development. Think small. Think hyper-specific. Can you build a tool that automatically generates compliance reports for small European businesses using public data? Can you create a simple dashboard aggregator for Etsy sellers pulling data from multiple sources? These small solutions are often more valuable to a business than they are expensive. The power of MRR. The magic lies in the monthly recurring revenue model. Once you solve a recurring administrative pain point, clients will happily pay a small fee every month just to make that pain disappear. Aim for a low barrier to entry, say $20 a month, and focus on client retention. Retention is the engine of global digital cash flow. The fourth stream involves packaging your competence, creating a premium online course or a high-value private community. This is about transforming your specific hard-won expertise into a systematized learning experience. The market is saturated with general advice. Your advantage is specialization. If you know how to manage global VAT, create a course on just that. If you mastered a complex software in your previous job, build the definitive, actionable masterclass. The community layer. The course provides the initial value, but the community, a private Slack or Discord group, provides the ongoing value. This transforms a single purchase into a recurring membership fee for access to ongoing support, networking, and timely updates. This community becomes a self-sustaining ecosystem that generates dependable cash flow monthly. And finally, the fifth stream, the sleeper hit that often gets ignored because it takes time to mature. Building a foundational library of evergreen content, primarily on YouTube, focused on fundamental financial principles. Content on topics like what is an index fund, understanding compound interest, or the mechanics of global currency exchange will remain relevant for a decade. They don't rely on trends. They become assets that continuously draw viewers who are in the information gathering phase of their financial journey. The 6-month action. Commit to producing 15-20 deeply researched, highly shareable videos on core financial literacy topics. Once these videos gain traction, they create a passive advertising revenue stream that literally pays you while you sleep in different time zones. This is the ultimate form of passive, location-independent income. We have covered the 5 powerful vectors for building your digital financial foundation: high-ticket affiliates, scalable assets, Micro-SaaS niche expertise, and evergreen content. Your action today is clear. Choose one path and dedicate your next 6 months to execution, not analysis paralysis. To accelerate your implementation, the tools and templates I personally use for automation are available for you now. The link to that resource is directly below. Subscribe to Digital Cashflow Global right now so you don't miss the advanced scaling guides coming next. Tell me in the comments which of these 5 streams you are starting with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.